and Happy New Year, by the way. I'm really sorry for not posting for months, and that is because of school stuff, and I have to take a vacation from social media because it's draining my life. And yo, girl became extra lazy recently. Actually, not recently, I was like this in spurts, but it doesn't matter because hello, it's 2020 and a fresh new start. So in today, I'm showing you another tutorial, which is how to make your own coolest intro in 1 minute only. So there's pretty much this app called Intro Maker, and it lets you make your own intro super duper quick and easy. I'm not sure if it's available on all devices, but I'll try to link it to you guys down below. So this is what it looks like when you open Intro Maker. There's a ton of different templates that you guys can choose from. You can even search in your own, and some of it are just for VIP members, and that means you have to get the premium one or you need to purchase to get the VIP templates. But still, there's a ton of different cute and free ones that you can choose. So right now I'm still deciding what template I'm gonna choose, so I just stick with this one, and you guys can download it in 480p or 1080p. So I just ended up downloading it to 480p, and when you downloaded it, that means that it can be available offline. So I'm just gonna skip the tutorial. So this is what it looks like, the editing interface looks like, and as you guys can see, there's a watermark. You need to have the VIP. So there's like this blue timeline that you guys can double tap, and you can add your own title. I'm just gonna add my channel name here. And you can resize it, you can delete it, or you can either duplicate it. And when you go to layout tool, you guys can see there's a ton of different text themes that you guys can choose from. So I ended up liking this one, and when you go to the font, you guys can choose different fonts that you guys want, and you go to the animation tool, you guys can either use an in animation, an overall animation, or an out animation. You guys can choose any of your liking, and you can also adjust the speed, which is really cool. So from here you can add more text if you guys want, and you guys can go to the sticker tool, and there's a ton of different cute stickers that you guys can choose from. You guys can also add a picture, or you can also add your own picture from your gallery. And of course, you can also add your music. You can add some sound effects and your own music. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose Panda, and to put it in your timeline, you just have to download it. So, and after that, it will say to avoid copyright, you have to click the copy to clipboard button, and you can put it in your description box so you guys can avoid copyright strike. From here you can always play with it. You can add a fade in and fade out, and of course the volume, you can play around with that. And now you have your own intro. All you have to do is export it and put it in your video.